Hello everyone, good day. In this video is all about the timeline of mathematicians and their contribution in mathematics in different civilizations. In Babylonian civilization around 1800 before Christ era, Sumerian and Babylonian significantly contributed to mathematics through advanced arithmetic, geometry, and algebra, developing the Babylonian numeral system, which is the basis of modern counting. In civilization of ancient Egypt around 1650 BCE, their contribution in the Rhine Papyrus, an ancient Egyptian mathematical text, showcases the Egyptian understanding of arithmetic, geometry, and algebra concept, demonstrating the practical application in engineering and commerce. In Greek civilization, there are many mathematicians that have contribution in mathematics. Around 624 to 546 BCE, Thales of Miletus considered one of the first mathematicians. He is known for his contribution to geometry, particularly for proving theorems about triangles and circles. Pythagoras of Samos is known for Pythagorean theorem in 570 BCE, which states that in a right-angled triangle, the square of the length of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square of the other two sides. In 495 BCE, Zeno of Elea, a Greek philosopher and a mathematician, is known for his paradoxes, which contributed to the development of logical and mathematical rigor, including the concept of continuity and infinity. Eudoxus of Cnidus made significant contribution to the ancient Greek mathematics, particularly in the areas of geometry and the number theory in 319 before Christ era. Euclid of Alexandria wrote Elements around 300 BCE, a comprehensive compilation of knowledge in mathematics, especially geometry, which became the main textbook for teaching mathematics until the late 19th or early 20th century. In 287 BCE, Archimedes made numerous contributions to geometry, calculus, and engineering. In concluding the determination of the value of pi and the principles of buoyancy, he is known also as the father of mathematics. Diopantus is best known for his Arithmetica. He made significant contribution in 200 BCE in solving polynomial equation, especially indeterminate equation. In Chinese mathematician civilization in 3rd century Common Era, is Liu Hui contributed to the understanding of geometry and is credited with the earliest known Chinese commentary on the mathematical text, 9 chapters on the mathematical art. In Hindu civilization around 476 BCE, Aryabhata authored the Aryabhataya, a significant work in Indian mathematics and astronomy where he provided methods for solving quadratic equation and made accurate approximation of pi. Brahmagupta made important contribution to number theory, including the solutions to quadratic equation and advancement in understanding zero and negative numbers in 598 Common Era. Karawan in 600 Common Era made contribution to mathematics and astronomy, particularly in calculation of astronomical phenomena. Mathematician in Islamic civilization that has a great contribution in mathematics is Muhammad al-Khwarizmi, known as the father of algebra in 830 Common Era. He introduced the concept of algebra and systematic solving of linear and quadratic equation, laying the foundation of algebra as a branch of mathematics. Mathematician during medieval in 1170 Common Era is Leonardo Pisano Fibonacci, introduced the Fibonacci sequence to the West and played a key role in popularizing the Hindu-Arabic numeral system in Europe. Let's go back to Chinese mathematician around 13th century Common Era. Su Zhiji authored the Zhoushang Shaoshai, 9 chapter on the mathematical art, a foundational Chinese mathematical text. Mathematician during Renaissance is René Descartes in 1596, revolutionized deductive reasoning, introduced letters as mathematical variables, and discovered the methods of plotting points on a Cartesian plane. In 1607 Common Era, Fermat formulated the last theorem, one of the most famous problems in the history of mathematics, which was eventually proved in 1990s. Blaise Pascal contributed to the probability theory, projective geometry, and fluid mechanics. He also invented the Pascaline, an early calculator. Modern mathematician that has contribution to mathematics in 1642 Common Era is Sir Isaac Newton. Developed the principle of calculus independently of Gottfried Wilhelm Leibniz, made significant contribution to physics, and formulated the laws of motion and universal gravitation. Gottfried Wilhelm Leibniz independently developed calculus, formulated the law of continuity, and significant contribution to philosophy and logic around 1646 to 1716 Common Era. Leibniz's calculus notation, differential calculus rule, and integral rule are his most enduring mathematical legacy, guiding differentiation under integral sign. Leonhard Euler, in 1707 Common Era, made groundbreaking contributions to various areas of mathematics, including graph theory, topology, number theory, and mechanics. Euler's formula e to the power of I multiplied by pi plus 1 is equal to 0 is considered as one of the most beautiful and important results in mathematics. Euler invented fx, trigonometric function for sine, cosine, and tangent, and developed Euler's formula demonstrating the relationship with exponential function. And that's the end of our video presentation about mathematicians and their important contribution to mathematics. Thank you for watching.